Oh, again, it's Fed again, people, and we're back with a new unboxing video. And as you can see, this here is the wireless from Rode, wireless Go from Rode, and I picked this here up because right now I'm using a wired mic, and I want to do some different things in the future. So I picked this here up. It was actually on sale, $20 off, and this here is actually pretty recently released. So that's rare to see that this here actually is on sale so fast, but it is, and it's pretty popular, and a lot of people have made unboxing videos, and also there's a couple of great YouTube videos where you actually can see where need to get my knife, where you actually can see what you can use this here for. There's some great ideas here, so let's actually take a look here. Let me open this here up. If I can, there we go. So this here comes with a receiver and a sender. It has a built-in mic in the sender, which is the recording for you have with you, and the other one is connected up to, for instance, it could be anything. It could be a camera with a built-in mic input, or it could be a mixer or whatever, and you can monitor from there. You can actually monitor stuff from here. It's going to be interesting seeing here. It is over 2.4 gigahertz network, and it is compatible or compact and wireless. So it is Wi-Fi at a Wi-Fi broadband. So I'm interested in seeing how well it actually will work here with all the interference that I have actually in my area, because there's a lot of Wi-Fi going on. But anyways, let's check out what we get. The packaging is pretty simple. We get the receiver and the sender. We get two furs for each of them. We get a USB-C cable for charging. We get a SC cable for connecting probably to a camera, and then we get a pouch. So yeah, not too interesting here. Well, the packaging seems pretty simple, so we just do what it says here. So we're gonna tear here, yeah. And of course, as always, when you cut your nails, you need them, but let's see here. So we have battery, receiver, sender, or transmitter and receiver as it is. So the transmitter, aka sender. We have the receiver right here, where there is USB jack for powering, and you have the mic up here and all that. And there is a nice display what it is. That, as I said, you can put this into a hot shoe. My new camera, which I'm recording from right now, does not have a hot shoe, but that doesn't stop me from using it in other ways. So that's cool. It is very tiny. And again, as always, I am getting messages during my recording, as always. But it doesn't matter. But let's see here. Okay. Do we do this? Oh, you can actually take it up here. Nice. So we have the two first. We have a stereo 3¼ inch jack to jack for connection. We have the two first here. We have some moisture protection here. We have what's it called, a manual. We have a pouch which has a Velcro in it, which Rode has here, so that's cool. Here we have, as you can see right here, it comes with clamps pre-attached to it, so you can put that either to mount that to something on your board or anything, and you can mount these here, of course, to this here is probably, yeah, this here is the transmit, this here is the receiver, and this here is probably the transmitter. Yep. So this here is the one that received the signal, and from there it outputs that to via audio here to for instance a mixer or whatever input you have, and you can do it from there. And this one here you would of course either use, here's the mic which you could use to directly record from, or you can attach an external microphone and then use that, a lavalier for instance. And Rode lavaliers I actually have, and I will actually test that out next time I record something. This here is a flip, so that you can push it down, and it's not a slidable, and it's the same thing with here. Cool. It has built-in lithium batteries, I'm guessing, and this here tab is probably to activate them or something. So it has connection, and you can start using it. There's probably a little bit of a charge on them, but not much. And now we have two USB-C, USB Type-C for charging, and I have plenty of these, but it's actually good to have extra. So I have, and these here, as you can see, it doesn't come with a charger, so you can use any mobile phone charger and anything from these here, A to C. Any phone charger will work with it. So that's cool. Let's see if it actually has any power on it. Oh, it looks like there is. This here is just for protection, so let's take that off and put that back in. Take that off. And let's see. Power. dB. It looks like it doesn't have power. Let's look at it. Oh, it's here. That's the power. Power's right here. Oh, it actually had. Yeah, it's receiver, RX for receiver. And it doesn't have a lot. It's searching for Wi-Fi. Signal is not that good. And here at the bottom is the other one, and you just hold it in. And it connects. And now you can actually hear me speak. You can see here with and it actually picks up pretty well. I'm actually impressed with that. I'm at least, let's see, this here is my hand, and this here is probably 2, and that is where the microphone is, my voice is. So I'm probably a meter away. So a foot maybe. Or something like that. I always mess that up. But anyways, it actually works pretty well. Syncs up, works really great. And you can see the receiver and transmitter battery status only is on the receiver. So you are not able to see that on this here. But that also means, and this is actually pretty smart in my opinion, because this here will be tucked away in a pocket or in a belt or something on the one that you're interviewing on, or on yourself. So the only thing you are interested in is of course here. And this is one you can look at and check, okay, how is the signal going and all that, and how loud is it? So right now I'm speaking fairly loud, or not fairly loud, but you can actually, this here has a couple of modes on what, if I take this here up, you can see right now I'm really close to it. And this here is levels. So this here, some boost levels and all that. So there are some dB here, and it's probably in the manual, or it's probably here in. I'm guessing, where is it? Yeah, dB, and we are gonna check what dB actually 100% is, because I actually can't remember, even though I did see what it is. So let's. Oh, this here is substantially worthless. Or let's just see. There's not a lot of information here. Everything is digital, and that's why there is a QR code there. Yay. you could at least had a small guide for it that actually says what dB actually is. I know it's volume control, but it looks like it's not really doing anything because I'm speaking at the same volume. Maybe it's the output to, oh, I'm guessing it's probably the output from to the external source, maybe. Who knows? But that should not matter, and that, well, everything matters, but anyways. So, I'm interested in having this here. I do not know how long the charge time is for this here, and I do not know how long, or how long it will take to actually, let's put this here away, how long it's going to take, or how long the battery life is, but it's substantially, I think it's a couple hours at least, if not more. So that's great. You don't have to charge them anywhere. The only thing regarding wireless, and that's always a problem in my opinion, is that you will always need to charge them. And if the charge time is high on them, it's going to be a problem. Simple reason is that if you want to use them immediately and you don't have a charge on them, it's gonna suck, and you can't switch batteries with them because of your it's rechargeable and it's small, so having you getting access to it, screwing and all that's going to be a problem. Switching batteries will also be a problem. It's a waste. I like recharging, but the problem is also if you need it right now and there's no charge and you have a bright idea and you want to record here and now, it's going to be a problem. Sometimes cable is the way to go, but oh well, there's no way to do that. I'm not a professional. This here is just for fun. That's why these here are pretty cheap. These here are, let me see, $250-ish, 200 to 220 to 250, I think. Is the area they are. I think I paid around this. So maybe, yeah, 250 definitely, including shipping and all that. So yeah, cool. I will test this here out. First off, I need to rethink my setup now of how I want to do it, but so far so good. And let's see here, you just hold it into, and then it goes out. Cable wise here, this here is a standard cable for a lot of things, or you can use for a lot. This is just Rode quality. It means it should be good. Rode has been, I'm using a Rode mic right now to record this here, so I've been a fan of Rode. I've used their products for many years, and they have been kind to me. This here is not sponsored, FYI. It is not a sponsored video at all. This here is fully purchased by myself for myself. I'm just making an unboxing video so you can get ahead and check this here out for people who watch this here channel. But anyways, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter and all that stuff. And until next time, bye.